it's Ankita. First of all, you're looking gorgeous today.
Thank you.
And whenever you wear any outfit, is it your stylist which choose or you have a say in that? Because your stylist has been gathering a lot of flack these days regarding the outfits. So any comments on that?
Wow.
But you're looking gorgeous today, yeah.
Thank you. Like I said, I think it's all a collective decision. We work as teams, the same way we do in movies. We work together to create a film, and same way we work together to create a look. And sometimes you might like what I wear, like today, and sometimes you might not like what I wear, and that's totally okay. I'm not dressing for you, my love. I'm dressing for myself. So as long as I'm having fun doing what I do on the red carpet, nothing else matters.
Hi, Deepika. Here. Hi. So after the success of XXX, and then you've been representing India on international platforms. So how is Hollywood treating you on the whole? And will we be expecting you in some more Hollywood movies?
Well, you should expect me in movies, general. I don't like the distinction between certain types of films. The language is different, yes, of course, and the reach and the visibility is of course much more when you do an American movie. But I think the idea and what really drives me is the film itself and the challenges that come with doing certain films, and that's what I'm really looking forward to the most.
हाय दीपिका, आप हाल ही में रूही और यश से मिले, रणवीर के साथ गए थे आप लोग करण के ट्विंस से. कैसा रहा, कैसे हैं, कुछ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेंगे?
That's far too personal a question, so I wouldn't answer that.
ओके, दूसरा सवाल है कि रणवीर और आप हमेशा चर्चा में रहते हैं, कभी आपका अफेयर होता है, कभी नहीं होता है, उसके बारे में कुछ कहना चाहिए?
You mean Raghjit?
Yeah, because आज हम Cannes collection के साथ affair की बात कर रहे हैं.
Hi, Deepika. Here. Hi, I'm Renuka. Deepika, a little more to what you just said previously, that, you know, it's racist when different people are called the same name because they're the same color. And I think if you have noticed, Indian media was very offended when you met Novak Djokovic and they just called you this leggy lass or whatever, and you were the one who wrote to everybody saying that's not right, and you're one of the most finest actors we have here. So what is the reaction when you go abroad? Does the ignorance sometimes kind of make you wonder that, you know, why is it the way it is?
No, because ignorance is ignorance. That has nothing to do with... I feel bad for them. I feel bad for their ignorance. Yeah.
Hi, Deepika. Hi, Deepika. Deepika, recently we interviewed Katrina, and she really loved your look from Rapta's song. And she really complimented the way you are looking. How do you react to such compliments which come your way?
I think compliments are always great.
Welcome.
And especially when they come from contemporaries, it's even better. So thank you for that. And I've always admired and appreciated what she's done with her life and her career. And I'm sure it's not been an easy journey. And I've always admired and appreciated that.
The last question.
Complaints have been changing every year so much, according to you.
In India? So I think every year there's some...
यहाँ focus करो, कहाँ गई हो?
कहाँ?
भाग गई. Ah, she's there.
Like right there. Okay, perfect. But in terms of trends, I think trends evolve, and I think there are a lot of influencers here who are in a better position than me to say how trends have evolved. But I think every year there's something or the other new. This year is all about matte. Now matte is a big trend when it comes to lipsticks, and that's what people normally like to wear, whether in terms of long wear, whether in terms of the intensity color. So that's the way makeup is evolving. Similarly, hair care, hair color, you see a lot of people wearing highlights, you see people doing different hair color. So that's how the entire cosmetic market is evolving. So it's not a specific product, but as you go along, you see different trends that come.
All right, that was the last question. Thank you so much, our friends from the electronic media. And now, do join us for lunch. Thank you, Deepika. Thank you.